Hey everybody, it's me once again. I finished cleaning my shoes, and remember that in the last part, I was going to compare cleaning shoes with this, just about any window, household cleaning, and this instant shoe cleaner. Uh, remember, this shoe was the first one that I cleaned off. Remember, had the tearing right here, and the bottom. Um, The way that I cleaned this one off was with the instant shoe cleaner I bought at Foot Action. And the other one, the one that I just cleaned, this is the finished product. This is what it looks like after I cleaned it with household materials. Um, the sole from the bottom, white. I don't know if you remember from the other part. It was very dirty from the bottom, actually. The front, sides, from the back. This was really dirty right here. I cleaned that off. And the suede. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's really clean right now. And the bottom is super clean too. So, these are my Oreos. Now, compare them. The one on the left is the one that I cleaned off with the instant shoe cleaner. I don't know if you can tell how dirty that is. Over here is this is the one that I cleaned with the household stuff. Now the one on the let me fix this. Now the one on the left is the one that I cleaned with the household stuff. And the one on the right is the one that I used the instant shoe cleaner. I don't know if you can tell, but the one on the right, the sole is a little bit more dirtier than the one on the left. I don't know if it's just me, or if you guys can notice it too, but I cleaned that with this. I cleaned it with window cleaner, and I left it out in the sun for a little bit. I think it got a little bit brighter. You can see a little bit through it. And this one, this is just dirty. Well, this is the finished product of my Oreos. And remember, actually, I thought that both chemicals had about the same effect on each shoe. I don't know what you guys think. In my opinion, both look about the same. Both really nice. Very clean. Not very clean, but they are cleaner than what they were. They're definitely cleaner than what they were. I would say that they're about the same, you know. But that's just my opinion. So, with that being said, I would say that you don't have to spend a lot of money going to the shoe stores, Finish Line, Foot Action, Foot Locker Champs, and buying these $5.99 chemicals that are only about 11 ounces when you can go to Walmart or whatever and buy these things. And yeah, they might be a little bit more expensive, but they're also bigger. They contain more stuff inside than this. Compare the height. So I would definitely clean my shoes with this, but that's just my opinion. I don't know what you guys would think. Well, since I haven't used my, see that, Air Jordan Retro 6, white and black, size 10. Retail price was $150. Got these for my birthday. I don't know. I never wear these anymore. I haven't worn these for about 3 or 4 months, maybe. They're not in perfect condition. Of course, they're shoes. And I know that they're a little bit peeled off or whatever. But they're a really great shoe. The thing that I like the most about the shoes is this tongue right here. I just think that's amazing. And the way that the shoes were made, the design, the sole from the bottom, the sides, and when you look at them from the front and the back, they're just simply amazing. One of the most comfortable shoes I have ever had. Jump my logo right there. These are amazing shoes. I love these shoes, but since I don't wear them anymore, and any of you guys want to buy them, they're a size 10. Shoot me an offer. I'll be willing to take just about anything. If you guys are real sneakerheads, you guys will know what these shoes are. And I got these for a birthday present, so. And I'm a big sneakerhead, too. I have a couple of shoes. Well, I have my collection